So let's go ahead and update a ticket. And then you can see that the ticket gets updated. How are things going with this? You can also use your voice. You think this will get closed on time? Great. Now I'll show you the capabilities of taking a picture and then creating a ticket. So we're going to go ahead and choose this icon right here. So we took a picture of the hole in the wall, and as you can see, you get details here, and we're going to create a ticket from this photo. So you just go ahead and tap Create Ticket from Photo. I'll make the assignee Mike. We'll make this medium. And so the ticket was created successfully. Okay, and then so now you can see we have that ticket here. So if we tap that, and we can see that attachment that we just did. And there it is. You can also update tickets with an image. So if you read here, this is about a air conditioning unit. And the text said, I fixed the unit. Everything should be fine now. But you go over there and walk to the unit. And I'm going to go ahead and tap this button here. So let's go ahead and add the image. And you'll notice you have this green checkbox here. So let's update this ticket. So I put, it looks like it's down. What's going on? And you can see the photo that appeared right here. And if we tap on it, we get that information. So really good and easy to really show what's going on while you're walking around in the building. Let's go and do this. Let's do a search. So if we type bathroom, we do a search, we're going to get all the tickets that are from the bathroom. As you can see, this one is mold on the wall, sink hot water, toilet won't flush, and you get a nice button here to clear the search also. Let's do a date range. Let's search for all tickets from July. I've just changed this to July 1st to today. Let's see. Let's go to the 29th. And so now you'll see that you get only tickets during that time frame if you look at the date here. So much like the desktop client. Okay, and I'll show you how. Let's go ahead and update a ticket, and I'll show you how when you update something in the app, how it will show in the client. So let's choose this one right here. Ticket 2479. Getting started. 24797. getting started. So it's easy to notify people who are working on the desktop client, and people that are on the desktop client, it's easy for them to notify people that are it's easy for them to notify people that are using the app. And if somebody were to say, if we come back to the mobile app, you'll see that it reflects in the mobile app. Let's go to the asset page. Flowing through assets is simple. And you get everything that you would in the client. So you can see here, as you can see, I just tapped asset 787, the CNC machine. You can create a ticket from this asset right here, or you can view the asset history. If I do that, I see all the tickets that were ever made for that asset. So it's really simple to use. Let's go back to assets. Let's go back to that CNC machine. And here we have the documentation. So if you're out working on the CNC machine and you have your phone with you, you can pull up the documentation. Everything just works. It's great. And if you want to create an asset from the ticket, just tap create asset from this ticket here. And there you go. It automatically fills in the CNC machine for you, and then you can fill in the information and create the ticket. Next, I'll demonstrate the QR code feature where you can scan QR codes that correlate with your assets. So I just tap the QR code. All right. So let's say that you have a leaky air handler and you're out on the floor. You can scan the barcode, and it will Okay, so we just scanned the barcode. And so you could look up documentation on the air handler if you want. Or you might want to see what's going on. Maybe something like this has happened before. So you go to asset history. And so you can see, okay, so here there was a issue where the air handler was leaking. And here was another one where the air handler was leaking. And so you see, let's see. The pipe was backed up. So I used some compressed air. And on this ticket, needed to use compressed air to blow blockage out of the drip pipes. So it looks like there's a good chance that you're probably going to need to do something with those pipes and clear them out and probably use some compressed air. This saves you a lot of time from having to figure out what was happening, and you were able to do it quickly with the QR code scanning feature and with the TicketBlaze mobile app. Let's edit a ticket. So ticket number 23344 is assigned to Adam. And I'm going to assign it to Jayla. And so now you can see that it's been assigned to Jayla. Let's take a look at the master ticket feature. Ticket number 23337 just happens to be a master ticket. So you can see that this ticket, the progress is 66% done. And if you tap on the master, you can see which ones are done. So ticket number 24381 needs new holding clamps. That's been finished. And 24383, which Adam has taken care of, that's been finished. And the only one that's left is 24382.